Next one is interrupting in the loop break. So that when you are making a square, it doesn't matter whether you put a negative number or that you put a positive number. So that number, you can get the answer. Because negative 1 square also the 1, or the 1 square equals 1. Negative 2 square is also 4, 2 square also 4. So it doesn't matter, you can put any negative or positive number. But to find a square root, you can find a negative number of the square root. For example, square root of 4, you can calculate this is a positive 2. But square root of minus 2, you can't do it because of this negative number that can't find a square root. So that kind of things you can also put there. This is the way that you are making this interrupting a loop break. Interrupting a loop break means we can find the square root of the negative number so that we have to limit. We can put until 0. We will start from this highest number until 0, but you can go less than 0. Less than 0 means that you can go the negative. So this is the, you have to break that loop. So this is the interrupting or a loop or the break. This is the way, this is principle of the interrupting, the basic reason of the interrupting a loop or break. So the many times you don't want to set an upper limit on the number of the loop terms, then you can use a condition for a while loop, which is always true. For example, while 1 equal 1, so this means that we are increasing the 1 into so everything correct. Why obviously is equal to 1, so that the loop will run infinite number of the terms. Therefore, we need a possibility to from inside the loop body interrupt it. So the jump out of it and then continue with the first statement after the loop. So in this case, sometimes we need to jump out from the current calculation and then you have to proceed with this the statement. So this we have to put the break. So you have to put the break semicolon. So by putting the semicolon, so we can jump out from the loop and then we can go to this main string calculation. So in this case, the program is we will get the little program example of this. We will write the program where the user repeatedly is a prompt for its number and that the program will respond with the square root of the number. So this is that we want to find out the square root of number. So you have to put this as a number and then the program has to be calculate the square root. So since you cannot calculate the square root of a negative number, so we will inside the loop body check whether the user has entered a negative value or not. So therefore, you can find the negative square root of the negative value. So that inside the program, it need to check the checking procedure whether user enter the negative value or not. If so, the loop is interrupted. So that kind of the program will be written. Who says you be a copy model by let's say that loop the cool no? Java ဖြတ်လိုက်ပြီးဖြစ်တယ်။လူတစ်ခုမှဆိုရင် number 2ထည့်ပြီးတွက်သွားတဲ့အခါမှာဒီလူကစက်ကတွက်နေတယ်။အဲ့လိုတွက်နေအဆုံးမရှိအောင်တွက်တော့မှာအဲ့တော့မတွက်တော့ဆိုအဲ့စုံတစ်ခုမဖြစ်အောင်လို့တနေရာမှာအဲ့လူကိုရပ်ပြီးတော့မှမူလနော် calculation ကိုပြန်ပြီးသွားတယ်။အဲ့လိုနီးရပါလဲဆိုရင်ဒါ interrupting loop break လို့ခေါ်တယ်။အဲ့တော့ interrupting loop break မှာဆိုရင်နော်တော့ example တစ်ခုပြမယ်ဆိုရင်ဥမာပြင်နော် number ကိုထည့်မယ်ထည့်ပြီးတော့ square root ရှာဝါမယ်ရှာဝါမယ်ဆိုရင် number ကို positive number တွေကိုတော့ထည့်ပြီးတော့ square root ရှာလို့ရတယ်။နော်ဘာဖြစ်လို့ 4 square root is 2ဒါပေမဲ့လို့နော် minus 2 square root တော့ရှာလို့မရဘူး။ဒါကြောင့်မလို့အဲ့လို minus 2 square root ရှာလို့မရဘူးဆိုတဲ့အတွက်သုံးတဲ့လူပါဆိုရင် negative number ကိုထည့်လိုက်လားမထည့်လိုက်လားဆိုတာကို program မှာစစ်ဆေးဖို့လိုတယ်။တကယ်လို့တော့သုံးတဲ့လူက negative number ကိုထည့်လိုက်တယ်ဆိုရင် program ကသူ့ရပ်သွားရမယ်။အဲ့ဒါကြတော့ဘာလဲဆိုရင် interrupting loop break လို့ခေါ်တယ်။ဒါကြောင့်မလို့ break semicolon ကိုထည့်ပေးရမှာဖြစ်တယ်။